Okay, hello and welcome to this new video. Let me just make this slightly lower. Okay, welcome back and hopefully you are doing well. And what we are going to be doing today, what we'll be doing actually. I will be doing Angular with a bit of challenging. Alright, so what is the challenge? Okay, let me just stop this. I reset it actually to an hour. So I'll be trying to implement this template into an Angular app. Okay, it seems like, and also in 1 hour, right? So this is the second part of the challenge. So let me just present you what am I going to do. For the data, we will be defining like a market data, so nothing really dynamic for now. And I will be composing it into multiple components, and we will not use lazy loading since we have like constrained time. We need to finish before 1 hour, else it will be like a fail. So let's navigate a bit what we have here. I would like to take a whole screen shot to this. Hopefully I have, I don't have it. There you go. This guy is capable of doing that kind of full screen. Capture the entire page. What? No, this page. Shit. Capture entire page. So it's take like screenshot for the entire page. And like that, I could draw things and divide the page into sections. So this is the first section, will be the header. This is a tricky part, but I believe it's not really tricky. We could find a way out. This is like the slider that it will be full width, no matter what the display height is. The next part is this grid of product, which is a slider in itself. So I'll be using a component that will be, actually a library that will offer such functionality. The next thing is this lady with the jacket. She's doing what? Let's call this like a banner product or banner components. We have a collections here, and that will be like presenting the best sellers product or something. By the way, this template could be applicable or applied to Prestashop. I don't know, probably in the future I could create it for Prestashop. I believe a lot of you people out there are missing these kind of videos from my channel. Sorry for that. And here is another banner. We could just play with this dude, and we have a button footer containing these links and phone and that stuff, and finally this. So the entirety or the integrity of this part is the footer, and let's go ahead with our video. Okay, already I start creating some components. So here inside the app folder I created components folder, and inside it I have for now the header component. So also I'll be creating the what we said that will be the slider. This is not a slider, but this is like promotion or featured something. Anyway, we could call it like featured product. I need a console in the terminal. Please split this into vertical, horizontals, commerce city app, SRC app, component. Let me make this bigger. Great. And ng generate component code this feature slider. Okay. And also I'd like to create actually more than, I believe we cannot create more than one slider, more than content with a simple command. So we have a slider, we have product grid. Let's try if we could do that. And we have banner. And we have, let's try that. So what we have, is it capable of product grid? It only generates product grid, no banner. Alright, so banner also, shit. Yeah, that's normal. Banner, and what is that? collection, let's call that bestseller. And another banner, we could use the same component. We have the footer and just generate, and we call this footer. Okay, starting by implementing all these dudes into our template. And where is code? Okay, up. One thing I would like to do before starting is moving this to the right side. So going to settings. What is, okay, settings, then text editor. This must be somewhere here to the left. Workspace, actually, appearance, Monakai, left, changes to right. All right, for me it's better. I don't like that it pushes my code from time to time when I do display this. Right, we could go now to the app component, clean it and remove all this. Or actually, I don't need outlets, since as I said that I won't be using like routing, etc. So it will be single page. And here I will do app header, and also I'll be doing app. Let me just remember, it's slider something, feature slider. App feature slider. Great, and back to the view. It is collection, yeah, app collection. I believe it's product collection. Product grid. It's totally different name. Product grid. And product grid, we have a banner. Yep. So do app banner. And what's next? We have banner app product bestsellers or something, bestseller components. We grab this, back to app bestseller. Oops, just this, simple as that. What's next? We have another banner here, so we can simply duplicate this, and finally app footer, and we should be good to go. Hopefully I didn't break anything. So we have a header, features, products, works, all is good. Now I need to have a front or CSS framework or library to speed up the process, and I'll be using, oh shit, I forget to start this. Okay, so normally I am recording since 8 minutes. Okay, so let me just set that to 15 minutes or 52 minutes. 52 could be fair enough. 52, start. Great. Okay, so as I said, I need to have Bootstrap for now. So I will head to the terminal and install it. So do npme bootstrap -- save bootstrap. This could take a second. Hopefully it won't take a lot of time. All right. Okay, how much time I'm just losing with this bootstrap. Okay, let's go and add bootstrap for now to the Angular JSON where the style, so we'll be pointing to node modules / bootstrap / dist / css / bootstrap.main.css. And what's wrong? Configure use prettier. Great. No, I have to reboot the server. Okay, I'd like to have this into another screen. All right. Alright, must be in this screen instead. Great. What I have done, I have no idea. Alright, anyway. So it's up and running. I have to reboot this, and inside the HTML I have to test that everything is fine. So I'll do dot container, and inside the dot row, dot row, and call 12 since we are using Bootstrap. Come on, Bootstrap 4. Seems good. Back to this, refresh this, and we're good to go. Great. But here I don't need a container, but actually I need a full width container, which is full width or container full width, I believe. That will guarantee that to have that full width container. Okay, there is another update that I would like to do, which is actually inside the terminal ng serve. I don't like that every time it does refresh by itself. Live reload to false. I only need to reload, or like to reload when I really need to reload. Yep, okay. Now start by the header. So what do we have? We have, first of all, we have that logo. So I'll go for, let's imagine this. Okay, stay where you are. I'll go for 4, 4, 4. So dividing the full width call 12 into 3 parts. Okay, let's go to the up header.html, and right here I will do row, and inside it call 4 and call 12 with call LG actually, because I'm just imagining or thinking about responsivity. I just have to put this into 3 parts, and there you go. So this is this is syntax to speed up things. This is the logo. It's called dealers. I believe I have Antilish somewhere installed. I don't have it because it's really smart and does integrate itself with. It does read Bootstrap classes, but anyway, I could dealers. All right. The next thing is the menu, and I would like to jump quickly to getbootstrap.com. Get Bootstrap, and I'd like to have this menu here, like this one. So examples, and anyone with a drop down. I think so. That this one have a drop down menu. No, it's not the case. Come on. What about this one? It has a drop down. Okay, open the source, nav, drop down. Let's grab all this, dude. All right, could close this and place all that junk right there. The next thing is what it is, the cart, I believe. Oh yeah, so it's cart, and here I'd like to have the font awesome. I believe it's a good option. Font awesome npm. Would like to install. Oops, what's that? npm. How much time? 46. Great. Right. Come on. All right. npm -save. How to work with these things. Font awesome. Let's jump into the GitHub page. I'd like to see the documentation. Okay. all.css. I think I will go on to this solution and forget about Angular. What's that? Yarn, most VG, icon, icon. I hate this. Oh no, I don't like this. Just check this. What is that? Font Ozone 5.8. Okay, I'll be using this. Okay, how to do it? It's pretty simple. Just have to remove this. Uninstall. Uninstall, correct. And inside style.css, where CSS I will do art import and paste that. Oh, this is not the correct way. This is for this is for HTML stuff. So I'll just remove this and go to index.html, and right here below the title we could paste that and we'll be ready to go. And to test that, I'd like to add Nye with a class. I believe I still remember, so it's like something like this, Fafa user, and we normally should have that user icon somewhere. Oh shit, no, just have to update the header. There is a fixed somewhere here, fixed top. Okay, yeah, we don't need that. And there you go. So it's still working. It's working actually correctly. Yep. Okay, we could keep it fixed, but let me just get back to the template. No, it's not fixed. So you can just get rid of all this, and for now, all right. Yeah, it's pretty ugly. I'd like to expand navbar dark, fix it to top, beach dark. Simple as that. Header, dealer, stuff, navbar. All right. Yep. Back to this. Okay, I did a mistake here. It seems like we have like no full width, then we go full width. All right, so to do this, it's pretty simple. We should go back to this, and instead of putting a full width container to the entire, we can keep it and simply place this into another container. So just do this, and don't forget the row, elsewhere it will be broken. And right here, don't forget the col 12 too, col 12 for the entirety. And inside the app header or header component, we must have a row that we keep the order of bootstrap. And now if I do refresh, I have the dealer, the navbar itself, or the header centered and not full width, and the rest is full width. Okay, what's the next component is, as I said, for the header. So it will be the card, what we have as icons. Jump up, we have search, we have a heart, and we have a card. Let's go ul, li. Okay, li minus duplicated by 3. Oops, I'm just gonna do this. Hopefully I can do this with a class fa. Oh, that didn't work. Fa. I believe I could do this. Nope. Yeah, I could do that. Nice. Fa. So this will be heart. And the next one will be search actually. So this means revert this for search, and this for cart or shopping cart, I believe so. Let me check. Okay, none of them work. For search, cart, test user. There you go. Cart. I believe it's shopping cart. Yes, great. It's ugly, but we will fix this later. The next thing is this central element, which is the feature slider. We could close this. We jump to feature, come on, feature slider, any of the HTML, and it is a container. We could keep it a full width container, and this side here I'll do row. Let me just get back to here, check that. So we are directly under a container here for the header, and for the rest it's under the col 12. So right here we have to start with a col, with a row actually, and col 12. And here we could imagine that this will be divided into, or on a single actually, this will be the first part, and okay, let me just back to the draw that I could explain this better. This will be col 6 with the centered content, and this is the background image, simple as that. So again, we'll go to row and col 6.o.col 12. Don't forget, I'd like to add the LG again for responsibility stuff, and inside it I would like to put some lorem. Okay, now if I do refresh, it seems okay, but I need to add also some classes like text, center. I hope that code have an extension that support bootstrap classes. Bootstrap 4 awesome. Alright, I give it a shot. Oh, there's a million download. Seems good. Installing. Does it detect the classes to use bootstrap snippet open before? Great. Alright. I probably need to restart this. So pretty quickly I'd like to jump to code. Okay, show me that you read. Oh great, perfect. Nice, pretty nice. Okay, refresh. That thing is centered, but it's not a big deal. We could add also like a P5 or P. Oh, he didn't detect this one. But anyway, seems okay. The next thing is the image. I don't have it for now. I'll go a bit further, and I'd like to also to add the modifier. I'll call it. Okay, we don't need a modifier. We could simply do style in the encapsulated modules file inside this feature.scss. Okay, let's keep going and build the whole structure, and then next we could go with the specification. So this is the grid. This is not a slider, simple like grid. Okay, what is that? Let me just set this to autosave. Great. Okay, so it's up. Product grid HTML. Again, so start drawing a row and a col 4, core LG 4.col 12. And what else? We could add the padding. I'll just forget about the padding and just do this for 3 times. And let me add any random content for it for now. 3 and lorem 10 everyone. All right, great, nice. The next thing is, what is this banner? So you have to go to app banner HTML. Again, I'll do row with a col 12, and here we could add it. What is that actually? It's actually a text with the background image. So again, I would do col lg6.col 12. I believe there is col lg push 6, not pretty sure. And let's go lorem of 10. Reformat that. Oh, not you, but this one. We have to jump back to this and documentation. Right, 25 minutes or 15 minutes actually. Come on, speed up. Dealers. Really? Okay, let's do offsets. Yeah, so this is the offset MD, offset something. Call LG offset, call MD, call LG offset. It's not detecting anything. Call MD offset 6. It's not working, dude. Call MD 6, call offset server 3. It's not a 2. It's working. It's called 6, and here. Well, the other thing is simple as this. It's other than a call. We don't need any of this, and automatically it will push that element to the other side. Let's do lorem. What's going on here? It's not saving stuff, or it's crashed. Ain't no crash. Then why in the hell I don't see any changes here? Ah, there you go, so lorem 0. Alright, I hate this kind of trouble. We have call 12. Ah yeah, because I forgot to add a row. That's normal. It's pretty normal because I have to add a row here that things fit properly, and we do respect bootstrap stuff. And shit. Row, call 12. We have another row. We have call. And it's another call. So it's correct. It's correct. I'm sorry for that. Correct. We are doing good at this point. We spent a lot of time on this. We have the collection now that will be a slider. So let me just get back to, so it's bestseller. That's bestseller. No. Bestseller HTML. Again with a row. And inside it there will be okay, actually we could copy this from the grid product, but the only specialty or specificity here that it's a slider. Okay. Oh dude. Okay man, I'm start losing. Okay, this is the banner, so I go back to the banner. Banner, then the footer with these 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go a bit faster than now. Okay, so now we go row. Shit. Okay, I'm just getting nervous. Row, inside it will be call lg3 dot call 12 multiplied by 3. And right here we have a ul li with 2. Let's have an a with like tadam or something. What's that? Multiply by 2. Nice. Tada. What's tada? Right, nice. Shit. Test 2 titles. We have also let's add the let's go div with mt2, and here we have to add like a form. We don't care about action for now, and I will have another input, and it will be of type email class or class, dude, class equals to form control form. It's not detecting anything. Form control, and we have a button type submit, so it will be btn primary. Great. What's the word? Send. Okay, it seems to nothing, but yeah, we are close. What's next? Next is this quick links. So here I will do, let's go to h3 or h2. Let's add it about us here. To begin an h2. Okay, format that, and the third one is contact info right here. h2 contact info, faster, quick links, and here we have to split it into two. Quick links, I will do another row with call lg6 or 6 call 12 multiplied by 2. Shit. Okay, so here we have another ul. Okay, just simply I would like to go ul li, and here we could just type lorem whatever and duplicate this 2 or 3 times and pick this div and call 6, yeah, and just duplicate this, right? Alright, perfect. The next thing is this contact info, just some lorem random stuff. You could just copy that. Okay, contact info, let's go for, I'd like to duplicate this. First of all, let's place this here, but you could be sure that I'm not losing any of that. Okay, so here I will have name, what is that? Of class, file, and its location a row. Let's imagine that's a location a row, and let's place this into a B or a P. Let's go a P. Next thing is this, so another P. Could go also on span, but I don't know, I'll just see that later if it's fit on a span correctly or not. Okay, so here class FA. What? I needed to change the keyboard, I believe so. So this is actually a phone. What's that? Area low. Oh, no, class. Okay, displaying line block is better. And we could add like empty to empty, what is that? Right, empty right, margin MR actually. 2. Fix a bit, except I missed one, I believe. Dealer. Ah, yeah, this one too. MR 2. Okay, great. Oh, it's more actually than just 2. So go to 4 to have that more spaced content. And here it seems like we get off the full grid. So here I could reduce this, like change it to 2 and move the other one to 4 or to 6 even. So this could be done again from the header. So here call LJ to become 6 and become 2, and this could be much better. And I think I broke something. I did not. It's pretty cool. Okay, here the call 6. Let me just check that everything is fine. We have 2 and 2, 8 and 4 and 4. Okay, what about changing this to 3? Okay, now let's keep going and display this. So I do LA and dot hover. I'll target the child, which is LE, UL actually, and set it to display block. I could add transition duration, transition all 300 microseconds, and hopefully this could be slightly useful for UI, slightly, I mean, friendly. Oh, not that. Not that. Yeah, it's normal, but I have to change this to position absolute. Position absolute. Oops. Absolute. This could fix that. This will fix actually a problem. And there you go. So if I hover collections, I only have collection with drop down, so it's normal. So when I do back again, so we have submenu, menu and submenu. Okay. Could go back around to pure white for now. Okay, stick with that. Border. Come on. Border bottom. Let's go 2 pixels solid, light blue. Oh no, this is not what am I expecting. Wait a second, let me just refresh that again. No. Display. Not a, I think, oh, okay, let's change this to table. Okay. This is the target UL. The background is not taking effect. I just have to hide the other UL, so we go another level deeper on this. So when we have LE that contain UL, go to display known. Wow, I thought I could do a lot of job in 1 hour, but it seems that that's not the case. And I'll do again the same things right here. I believe I could do extend, but I don't have the syntax in my mind, and also I don't want to spend time searching for it. Okay, now if I do refresh, we have a collection now. If I do, and there you go. This is actually what am I looking for, but not perfectly exactly. So position absolute, and go for right 0. Okay, refresh. Okay, I need another live view of this. UL, LI. So let's go right. It's not making self. Minus, no, I don't like minus things, so do 100%. And there you go, this is better. I don't like minus values in the CSS. Okay, great. Now let's put these things in line. So again, using the Bootstrap class, D inline, block, margin right 2, and here also do class text align right. Oh, let me just refresh again and again, and there is no response. What's wrong with this? UL, it's not taking effect. What did happen? Okay, I have to check the console if something gets broken, and there you go. So something is not broken, it's screwed up. What's going on here? At least it may happen to when the tag has already been closed. Where is this? Ah, look at that, I removed something. Okay, great. Except the alignment is not working. Text align right. Content. No. Display inline block. Display inline block. It's correct. But here. Okay, we could figure out this later. But yeah, oh, how much time? Wow. So this is a scratchy skeleton. Let's go a bit deeper with this and try to go a bit faster. Okay, so where is it? Let's go for the featured.html. All right, here we will be having the each one. What's that? It's more than just a price, it's the title. Come on. Let's go for this. Each one. Then the next thing, you could go to a small, and that's tiny summer collection. And down further, we could go to the price, and we could go to H3, 2 spans. Actually 2. The first one is the new price, and the other one is the older price, and I believe there's a class called underlined or overlined, something like that. I'm not sure. No, faded. Oh, class, you dump. All right. Let's go over line. Anyway, we could add these classes. So also I'd like to add margin left 3. Okay, better. And these 2 buttons, and hopefully you could do them using just this classic buttons. Text center, and here do button of type btn multiplied by 2. The first one is what is shop now. The second thing is shop later. Let's change this later. All right. Okay. This here. Shop now, shop later. What's that? Shop later. 2 buttons. So btn primary and here we could go to btn secondary. I'm not sure that this class does exist, but let's give it a shot. There you go. Again, a bit of spacing is welcome here. Margin right 3 or 2. Let's go for 3. And yeah, also I'd like to add some margin top MT3 to separate these blocks, to have that, or even more. Let's go for 5. All right. Okay, missing that background image. We don't have it for now. How much time? All right, great. We still have 10 minutes. What's next? These sales. So start by editing an image. I don't have any image now, but I could grab the same image from this website. So I go to copy image address, and here it's inside the product grid, HTML, and here we have only, okay, can I use the card from Bootstrap? Card. There's a card component that could be useful here, which is this one. Does it look anyway? Yeah, this could be a solution. Okay, again I have to grab this image URL, copy image address, src class, cool. Let's see how it will look like. I don't like the class because we have this faucet. Even Bootstrap, they screw things, they hard code things. Yeah. All right. We are missing another one. Yeah, there you go. This is it. So that happened pretty quickly. Now let's introduce this hover effect, which is pretty simple to implement. So again, close this one, and here we have the card. Let's call this product wrapper, products. Okay, again inside the encapsulated style, other encapsulated, and inside it we will have card, and somewhere it will be an image, and when I do dot over, this image will be a scale, transform, scale, and it will be I think it's like 0.9. I believe so. You could write this, a degree, I'm not sure, but let's give it a shot. And there you go. Just need to add a bit of a smooth to this transition, all 300 milliseconds, and this could be beautiful. Nice, pretty nice. What's next? Okay, we could duplicate this to have, okay, we normally have these like 9. Okay, so let's go ahead, this one, and this one, and grab this, duplicate, and this, great. Okay, except that we have here this like padding and margin. So to fix this, I'd like to remove this, and first here and here, and a bit down, I believe so, right here too. And I'd like to add margin 0. This will stretch them again, so it's a margin 0. Okay, and padding 0. And there you go. So this is the result that we are expecting. Now I could duplicate this as much time as I want. So here 1, 2, 3, and I'll have 6 of them well stitched together. Again, refresh. And yep, there you go. Pretty nice. So that was this section. We could go to this part. It will be actually the opposite of this one. Pretty much the opposite. So I go to featured.html, grab that, and go to banner.html, and just remove all that. And what I will do here, just invert this Okay, I just added a call right here, and the rest will be fitted at this place automatically. All right, there you go. But here, this is not my well instead, but it's like a jacket, a new summer, so I could go to small here. So this small will be moved a bit up. Ouch. Up. And this jacket to here, and we could get rid of all this and just keep that button, which is shop now. And the text, I think there is a BG, like a dark BG somewhere. No, it does not exist anyway. No problem. Okay, the next, how much time left to? 5 minutes almost. Is another one, but the slides. So again, now go product grid, copy this, and back to app component.html, app HTML, or just leave it as that and go to what? To seller HTML, and here just remove all this, create a container, and place that, and that should be fine. Refresh, not you, but you. And where are these products? I'd like to also add in each. Okay, duplicate this. That's close right here. This will be actually called 12. And let's add a bestseller or best sells, and added text center, text center. What is this? Bestseller. I'm not sure. Again, back to this console, and I screwed up things again. Where is this error? So template parse error, doc, text in the shop now. It's somewhere here. Nope. Oh, come on. It's in banner component. Wrong. Character. Oh no, this is not the right time. Template parser expected on line 12. What's wrong here? Good to go. You just lost me 1 minute. There you go. Bestseller, some true as it must be, and we could get rid of the extra 3 products. One, 2, and 3. Remove these 3. Bestseller. Okay, great. Okay, I think I'll stop right here, people. Okay, so that was like a drill training. We did not reach a really great result, but it's still good for 1 hour. This is like a bullet from scratch, so hopefully that was enjoyable, and Please, if you have any suggestions of video or an idea or anything that we could create, whether in Prestashop, Angular, PHP, WordPress, Photoshop, just use that comment box below this video, because that's really important for me. I would like to thank you for being here, for watching me all along this video, 1 hour almost, and I wish you a nice day. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Hey, by the way, just before you leave, there is a link in the description of this video, actually links that are taking to my courses. So if you'd like to enjoy like 70% off, only 99 bucks, 9.9 bucks to get the course, just use these links in below. And the good things also, if you pick one of my courses, you could get another one for free. So just only ping me up and tell me that you purchase that course, and you will get another one that you choose for free. Thank you for watching now, and I'm really done, and see you on next video.